Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about how do plants make their food. But before that, let us revise what you have learned last time. Points to remember. Leaves are called as the food factories of the plant. The different parts of the leaf are petiole, leaf blade, midrib, veins and leaf apex. The tubes that carry water from the roots to the leaf are called as xylem. The tubes that carry food which is made by the leaves to all the parts of the plant are called as phloem. And stomata help in the exchange of gases and water vapor. We human beings can go to the market and bring vegetables and fruits and the other materials required and cook food by using different methods. But children, have you ever wondered how plants prepare their food, as they are also living things like us? Yes, right. The process by which plants prepare their food is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So the things that they require are chlorophyll, water and minerals, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Let us study the process of photosynthesis. During the daytime, when sunlight falls on the plants, the leaves trap this sun energy and exchange of gases takes place. Carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given out. The roots of the plants absorb water and minerals from the soil. These are then changed into food by the green leaves in the presence of sunlight. The food made is called glucose, which is a kind of a sugar. The process of photosynthesis can also be represented by an equation called as photosynthesis equation. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives glucose, which is the food formed by the plant and gives out oxygen. So children, let us revise whatever things we have studied till now. Plants make their food by the process called photosynthesis. The process takes place in green leaves. Water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight are necessary for photosynthesis. The food obtained is called glucose. Oxygen is released in this process. Now, let us see how do plants make use of the food made by the leaves. First one is to get energy. Second, for their growth and development. The energy that plants get from the food, they use it to repair their damaged part, like damaged stem and damaged leaves. And the food which is extra, plants do not waste them. They store this extra food in the form of starch in different plant parts like leaves, roots, fruits, seeds and stem. As you all know, plants store its extra food in different parts in the form of starch. So, here's a quiz for you all. You have to observe the picture and write which part of a plant it is. It's a cabbage and your time starts now. The answer is leaf. Second one, sugarcane and your time starts now. Time up and the answer is stem. Next is pineapple. And your time starts now. And the answer is fruit. Yes, it's a carrot. And your time starts now. The correct answer is it's a root. Next is cauliflower. And your time starts now. The answer is flower. Children, you must have understood that the vegetables and fruits that we eat are actually the extra food containing parts of the plants. So, we get food directly from the plants. And the last one is green peas. And your time starts now. Which part of a plant it is? Yes, the answer is seeds. Do you know? Cucumber is a fruit and not a vegetable since it has seeds in the center. Cabbage has 90% of water content. Carrots were originally purple in color. Thank you children. Hope you all have enjoyed the quiz.